Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I'm super excited of a package that I ordered a little over about 2 months ago. I was looking through Amazon to try to upgrade some medical stuff, and I was working on a new bag and I wanted to get some new tourniquets. So what's in here are brand new tourniquets that I have. It was a 2-pack, and I already opened this up because I wanted to make sure these were the tourniquets because I ordered some other medical supplies, so I was just trying to make sure they were it. So I ended up getting these 2 new tourniquets. So the price I think I got them for was either 2 for 13 bucks or they were 2 for 16 bucks. But I ended up getting free shipping on these, and these are really nice. It's got where you can write the time on there if you have to use it. Pull tab. Don't need to go in the tourniquets. There's a lot of videos out there that people talk about these, but for me, wanted to upgrade my new bag that I created, and I haven't come out with a video yet on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and just kind of talk real briefly about the tourniquet and moving forward, why am I adding this to this bag and some other stuff too. So stay tuned. All right, guys, this is my kind of my new kind of at-home kind of EDC bag that I kind of have with me everywhere I go. I'm not going to get into details of breaking this bag down to show you where I have everything. That's going to come in an upcoming video. I'm still kind of tweaking some stuff where I'm going to want to put certain items, but more likely what I'm going to do is has a handle, is I'm probably going to get some rubber bands with the tourniquet here so I can put it right on the shoulder pad and with the rubber band, so if you got to use it you can just rip it right off. So I'm going to be adding this CAT tourniquet to this bag, and then I have a rat's tourniquet in the bag, but I think what I'm probably going to end up doing with the other tourniquet is I'm probably going to maybe add it to, there's some PAL webbing in the back, maybe put it back there just to kind of have you know, a couple tourniquets. So that's it. That's what, you know, I've upgraded. I've been waiting for 2 months for this. I've had this bag for a little over about a month now, just kind of seeing what works, what doesn't work, and getting some good tourniquets. You know, you can never go wrong with them. So that's going to be a very quick and easy video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for all the support that I get with the comments, the questions, stuff that you guys are using. That's fantastic. Please keep them coming. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.